Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox this OnePlus 7 phone. As you can see, the box, it looks really nice. This red and white box of OnePlus 7 contains the flagship killer OnePlus 7, which has got this amazing specs. So without any further ado, let's get the box cracking. The plastic is off. Let's remove this Slate and lift up the box. In the front of the box we see this really nice red colored card sheet box of documents. Well, we have the silicone case in here, which is an absolute delight to get with any phone you buy. Then we have this SIM ejector tool. Next up we have got this pamphlet which says never settle and info about the buttons of the smartphone. Next up we got this nice stickers of OnePlus, and we have the safety information guide. Let's keep that aside. Let's get to the star of the show, that is the phone. Let me take the phone out of the box. And keep it aside for booting up. Let's see the content of the box. First we get this letter. Here we get the charger, which is a dash charger. It's really nice to get a fast charger inside the box. We have got this USB-C cable, which is always OnePlus style, that is red and white. We haven't got any earphones or a converter that converts USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. Now let's see the design of this phone. On the right hand side we have got the power button and the switch that switches between the vibrate and silent mode of the phone. On the back of the phone we have got this really cool looking slate grey color glass, which gives it an absolutely premium look. On the left hand side of the phone we have got volume up down buttons. On the top of the phone there is a microphone, and on the bottom there is USB-C cable slot and speakers. On the top of the phone there is also earpiece which acts as stereo speaker. We have also got this 16 megapixel camera, and on the back we have got this rear camera which is 48 megapixel with a depth sensor and flash. Let's set up the phone, and I'll skip through this process as it is really simple to do. We will not set up the face lock right now. Voila, we are in the OS of this OnePlus phone. It seems absolutely snappy and really fast device. Now let's go into the settings and see what we get with this phone. We get Snapdragon 855 with this phone, which is the latest and the greatest from Snapdragon, and we get Android 9 Pie. Now let's put our SIM into the phone. Just use the SIM ejector tool, and on the left hand side of the phone the SIM tray exists. This phone has a really fast face unlock, as you can see. Now I see an update for the Oxygen OS, so let's go into the settings, and in the system updates we have got a 223 MB new update, which we will do. One thing that I liked the most about this phone was the in-hand feel of the phone, which is very premium. And one thing that I not like much about this phone is the camera bump on this phone. That's all. I'll be posting the review of this smartphone, so subscribe to the channel and see you in my next video. Bye.